Guangzhou ACE Headwear Manufacturing Company Limited is a rapidly growing high-quality headwear production company dedicated to providing our customers with complete satisfaction through superior quality and timely delivery. With over 10 years of experience, ACE boasts a well-trained team of professionals at our office, complemented by our high-quality production crew at our factories in Guangzhou, China. We are an accredited manufacturer for several world-famous brands, including Jeep, Kappa, FILA, and FILA, and so on. Our products are exported to the USA, Europe, the Middle East, Asia, Australia, and other regions. We specialize in high-quality caps and hats. Our service scope extends beyond mere manufacturing. We ensure that all procedures during production and communication meet the high standards of North America, Europe, and Asia-Pacific countries. This service begins the moment we receive artwork from the client and concludes with the swift delivery of products. In addition to our refined production process, our services also include private labeling, which is a popular demand from our customers. It is important to us that you enjoy and benefit from the products we create and bring to market. Our mission is to deliver products and services that meet the needs of our clients while efficiently utilizing resources and aiming to improve the lives of our employees. ACE Headwear, bringing your ideas to life, with passionate people delivering amazing headwear products.